Ako lang ba or sobrang excited din kayong humiga and magpahinga pag bago and amoy fresh yung sheets and pajamas nyo? Grabe, obsession ko yan. But honestly, it's so difficult to achieve this, especially because our dogs sleep with us. Tapos idagdag mo pa yung rainy season na ang hirap magpatuyo ng laundry. Ang dalas pa naman namin maglaba because of Baguio and Barkley. Nakakainis pa naman pag mabaho and hindi natuyo mabuti yung laundry. I mean, there is no amount of expensive perfumes or linen sprays that can conceal the bad smell, especially if detergent lang ang ginamit. Trust me, I tried. Good thing my mom and my tita have always taught us to use Downy during laundry days kasi it really does make a difference. Hindi lang siya eme-eme mare. Nakaka-help talaga siya to give the clothes and sheets up to 24-hour perfume bango freshness. Yung hindi lang feeling malinis but amoy malinis talaga. Now that is how I enjoy the best of both worlds. Unlimited night cuddles with my dogs without compromising the joy of having fresh smelling sheets and clothes.